In this tutorial, we are building a journey where when a new media is published on Instagram, Bitly will generate a shortened URL. So let's start. Select Instagram as trigger. Next, choose New Media as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we will shorten the long URL. Select Bitly. Choose Shorten URL as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Enter URL using Instagram app data. Fill in the group and domain details. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Now go to Instagram. After uploading the image, refresh the page. We can see an image is uploaded. Now we will go to our journey to check the execution. It is executed successfully. Let's get back to Bitly. You will see the URL shortened. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to shorten the URL of new Instagram media posted on your account via Bitly. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.